Jobber saved our marriage. It actually made our work relationship flow a little bit better too. It was just easier for us to work with this system than how we were doing it before.
I'm Keith.
And I'm Ashley.
We've been running Kalfas Professional Services, landscaping and window cleaning in Michigan for 13 years now, and we love what we do. I'm competitive by nature. I'm really competitive. I want my quote to look the best. I want the customer to see it and compare it to the others and want to pay us more. Jobber helps our business stand out because of the speed of communication. We can send a customer a quote, book the job, collect a deposit, and schedule a booking confirmation like immediately on the phone. It's done. I felt more confident. You can see what the customer sees. I'm like, this looks legit. I know if I'm competing against other landscapers when selling, the customer sees their quotes, whether written on paper or something in an email typed up or even a text message. I know that mine's gonna look the best. There's a confidence aspect there.
And I love how, like, when you send it out, you can give them like a time of when you're gonna be there. Everything is just like so informational. It's like all in one shot, you know, send it over and the customer's super happy and they know all the information, they know what they're gonna get, they know when you're gonna be there. It's truly amazing.
Once you start to use the features that automate, bells go off in your head and you're like, whoa, we can do this with a bunch of stuff. The tipping feature, automatically collecting deposits and signatures from customers. Literally, the customer just puts their credit card in. With Jobber Payments, it collects the deposit automatically, and then we just send them a booking confirmation.
As soon as we started using Jobber, the change literally happened like almost immediately. We had more time together, definitely, because he wasn't scrambling. We really truly do love Jobber. It's like a true love. Like, we truly love Jobber. It's so seamless and it's so professional.